Okay guys, so right now I am in the outskirts of Seven Seas Beach in Fajardo, Puerto Rico. I basically am gonna go to this beautiful place called La Zanja. Now this place is a little, I wouldn't say rough, but it does take a while to get. You basically have to continue walking by the beach and follow your maps, see if you get there. So this is what we're basically doing. Okay, so I've been walking about, I would say 25 to 30 minutes already. Once you get to this portion where there is this sign right here, this faded sign, if I'm correct, you have to go through here. So let's check it out. I do recommend bringing some water. It's really hot, really hot. I didn't bring any. A local told me to. I didn't do it, suffering the consequences of my actions. It's okay. So once you finish the hike, you're gonna see this sign right here. It says La Zanja. So we're walking down and you got beautiful views of these hills. This corner, eastern corner of the island. As you can see, you have a plane probably gonna land in Ceiba Airport if you're coming from Culebra or Vieques, which that is an option too. You don't have to go on a ferry, you can always go on plane. Gets you faster. It is blazing today, let me tell you. It's probably 100 degrees, but I'm loving it. So let's continue. Alright, so we got to this end and we made a left. And now we'll be going up these hills. Let's see if we can find the exact location of this place. Certainly impressive views, but you know, you're pretty close to death up here. So be careful. You could drop any loose items too. I would definitely be careful up here. And here we are, La Zanja, Fajardo. It really does look like something that you would find in Greece. Very hidden. Only locals really come here. And spectacular. Alright, so finally the water is absolutely gorgeous. Check that out, the cave. Got the clear water here.